So this is our obstacle sensor. So basically this is the IR receiver and this is the IR emitter. So you need to set the frequency using this left potentiometer, and using the right potentiometer you can set the distance. This is the enable jumper, like if you remove it you have to enable it from here. So like this is the ground and then VCC and then your signal. So like when it detects an obstacle, like it will play the car horn and will say the message like please move. So let's just see the demo. So whenever like I'll bring my hand in front, it will like beep. So this is our code, like I've connected that signal pin on pin 16, and because it is high, so default high, so I have like put the mode as input pull up, and then I have created a trigger event, interrupt event when the pin is falling, like when it goes from high to low, and, and when the event occurs, like it will start the horn sound and it will say like please move for 2 seconds.